Need to set up Google Messages for web so you can text from your computer. In this guide, I'll walk you through the complete setup process, from pairing your phone to sending your first message. By the end of this video, you'll have everything connected and ready to use. Before you begin, make sure Google Messages is installed on your Android phone and set as your default messaging app. It's also a good idea to update the app to the latest version so all features work properly. Next, open any web browser on your computer and visit the Google Messages for web page. Once the page loads, you'll see a large QR code waiting for your phone to scan. Now grab your phone and open Google Messages. Tap your profile picture or menu in the upper corner, then choose Device Pairing. This is where you'll connect your phone to your computer. Tap the option to scan a QR code, then point your phone's camera toward the QR code on your computer screen. In just a few seconds, your conversations will automatically sync. Once you're connected, you can choose whether to stay paired with this computer. If it's your personal device, staying signed in makes future access much faster. But if you're using a shared computer, it's safer to sign out after each session. You're all set. Click any conversation to continue chatting, or start a brand new conversation using the new chat button. You can send text messages, photos, emojis, GIFs, stickers, and supported files directly from your browser. And that's all it takes to set up Google Messages for web. So after the initial pairing, using it becomes quick and convenient whenever you're at your computer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more easy tech guides, and I'll see you in the next one.